Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here. Do you feel overwhelmed when you start to think about creating a legacy photo collection? I have some tips for you. And we started with the first one a couple days ago with starting with a goal. Is it to secure your photos? Is it to pass them on? Are you just downsizing? Whatever it is, that's where you're starting. And you want to sort for clarity. Start by sorting by dates or categories. You can do either one. And by date can be decades or years. By categories, they can be holidays, vacations, or people. Whatever works for you and helps you sort your photos. Then you want to combine the 2-second rule and the ABCs of photo management. The 2-second rule is you're going to hold and look at a picture for no more than 2 seconds and ask the ABC questions. So, A is, does the image tell a story or evoke an emotion? If it does, great. You're going to archive that and digitize it. B, does the image have some importance, but it's just not as strong as an A? Is it more of a documentation type of picture? I usually call this my B-roll. C, there's no emotion, there's no story. These typically are the landscapes with no people in them, and really you can't even remember where they were taken. Those you may throw away. There's the blurry, the bad lighting, all of that. Then there's the S. These are where the magic happens. These are the images, you look at them, and within that 2 seconds, emotion comes flowing out, the story is gushing out. These are the images that you really want to use to share, to create things with, to be out and displayed. Once you've done all that, then you want to document using the 5 W's with a photo-safe pencil. They're called Stabilo. And you want to document the who, what, when, where, and why in a few words so that the story continues with that image for generations. Then you want to scan and preserve, and this will create a digital copy for your photo library. If you need help or are looking for support, join Save Your Photos Month for a free and learn how to tackle your photo collection at saveyourphotos.org. If you feel like you need or want some local assistance with this, visit pro.thephotomanagers.com for a directory to locate a certified professional photo manager near you. As always, if you have questions, put them in the comments below so that I can help you start using your photos to tell your stories so that they will last for generations.